Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. So today I just filmed this makeup look for you guys, only the eyes, and I think this video is already on my channel, so I will let you check this video out right here after watching this video, obviously. And I wanted to do another video because as I told you in the one before, I don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of free time on my day because I'm taking care of my children, that they are on holidays, and I have a newborn. I have to take care of her a lot, which I'm not complaining, but just, you know, to let you know. So I hope that the lighting will be still okay. I wanted to take advantage of the fact that my children are with my husband at the moment and that my baby is sleeping, to do another video. And I wanted to do this concept that I saw on the channel of Jessica. Yeah, I think her name is Jessica. I will put her channel right here. And she is a beauty YouTuber, but she's talking about lifestyle as well. I think that she's very down to earth, really reliable. I love listening to her. So I saw on her channel that she's doing this kind of a video where she's doing speed reviews. And I wanted to do the same because I thought it was really clever. So the idea is to show you some product that I used for a while, or, you know, that I test out, and quickly telling you what I think about it at the end. Okay, I am a little bit in the dark, but otherwise I have the sun on my face and I just can't keep my eyes open. So that's why. Okay, let's begin with this palette. It's the Nella Palette from Amor. It's from the US, a brand from the US. I really like the packaging. I think it's really pretty and very fierce, you know, so I really like the packaging. And here is the color scheme. So yeah, I like it. There is some red, some oranges, some green, some purple. For me, it's a beautiful color scheme. I used it, to be fair, just once during this makeup look, actually. And I'm not very impressed by this palette because, first of all, there is a lot of kickback, but really like a lot. So as you can see, we can really tell that I put the brush on it and I wasn't harsh, but it really leaves a mark, just so you know. The color payoff was not great. I had to put my brushes a lot on the color to have some color on my eyelid, like I was going back and back and back again to put some color on the eyes to have the pigmentation that I like. The shimmer, I used 3 shimmers and they were good. One was not really impressive, but the other 2 were good. So not my favorite formula of shadows. It was not really hard to blend, but I had the impression that it left some patches and I had to work more than another palette. For example, the palette from BH Cosmetic, the Avocado Toast. If you didn't watch this video, I will put it right here. But it was more easier to blend, to work with, no patches. The pigmentation was better than this one. So I'm kind of a little bit disappointed because the packaging is so beautiful, but the result on the eye, not quite impressive. Then we have the By Terry Brightening CC Blush. So this blush is very pretty because it's not a cream, it's a liquid blush. And I think the effect on the skin is very pretty, very glowy, but not not over the top, you know, like really a glow from within, and it has a little bit of very fine gold reflect. I don't know if it's glitter, I don't have the impression, but it has some gold reflect, and it smells absolutely delicious, like a rose. And the color is very natural, very beautiful pink, like really like you're blushing, you know. So what I do is that I put some on my hand and then I put it on my skin with a sponge, and I really like the effect. Glowing, not too much, natural, I'm blushing, you know, really great blush. Then we have the Pony Effect foundation. It is the Everlasting Cushion Foundation. It's a great foundation. I agree with most of the claim that they're saying about it on the website. It is natural, it is really like your skin but better. My color I have here, Natural Ivory, it's a little bit too light for me, I have the impression, especially right now in the summer. But it's dewy, but not too much, just the perfect amount of dewy, like natural dewy. Doesn't make sense. I like the packaging. I think it's really easy to travel with, even if we're not really traveling at the moment, but you know what I mean. And it's a cushion, it's hydrating, it's luminous. Yeah, it's a great finish on the skin. So that was a good product for me. Then I wanted to talk about the Revlon liquid lipstick. I have 3, maybe more, but I have 3 right here. I have this one that I bought quite a long time ago, and it's in the color Seduction. We have the color right here. So this color is a beautiful nude, beigey nude, really great color for me. It's a beautiful matte. It doesn't dry on the lips. It is comfortable. It really lasts on the lips. I think it's a great color. I bought recently this one. It's the color Infatuation Adherence. Yeah, it's a dark plum color, and this one, it's a little bit more difficult to work with. You have to build the color if you want the opacity that you want, but I'm not really surprised because I know that purple are harder to work with, to make. So it's still a great lipstick, but it's not as easy as the one that I showed you before. So you really have to, you know, take your time, build the color to have the opacity that you want. But at the end, it's the one that I'm wearing right now with a little bit of Seduction something. Wait. Yeah, Seduction that I put a little bit over top. But as you can see, it's a beautiful color. It doesn't dry on the lips, and yeah, quite comfortable matte. And it was the first time for me that I tried the Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. And this one is a high shine liquid lipstick. As you can see, the packaging is different. It is glossy, as this one it is more matte. It's a beautiful liquid lipstick. It really has some shine and the color is gorgeous. I wear it in one of my video recently. I will put it right here if I remember which one, but you can see it on my Instagram as well, so go subscribe on my Instagram. I will be very happy to welcome you there. But it's a beautiful color for summer. I really recommend this one. Really shiny. On the lips it's just beautiful, and it lasts. So here was my speed reviews on some product. I hope that you like this kind of video. For me, I find it really interesting. Tell me on the comments down below if you like that kind of video, and I will continue to do it if you enjoy it. So if you like this video, put a like on it, share with a friend who loves makeup as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.